So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. She has like a pixie style haircut and bam, gorgeous, fluffy, thick pixie style. This is absolutely stunning. Really like the texture of her natural hair within this cut. It beautifully just accents her curls and waves just perfectly. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some short hairstyles. Here we have a beautiful bob haircut transformation. Nice classic bob style. Followed by this blunt all black bob with the center part down the middle. So here she is with the longer hair before the stylist does cut the hair down, and there she is after. Absolutely flawless transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these short hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another gorgeous bob style, very effortless and chic. Loving the color on this one. So here we have a pixie hair transformation, beautiful salt and pepper hair color. And then we have another beautiful pixie style. Lots of volume with that one. So next up, we have someone with a bob. The stylist recently got engaged to her, and now he is styling her hair. Looks like she's going to be getting some color. Doing a little bit of a trim. Could you imagine being married to someone who could do your hair? Oh, I would absolutely love that. So he does some face framing layers with this. Gorgeous. Nice tousled texture, beautiful color. She looks amazing. So here we have the stylist doing more of like a curly bob style. He's scrunching up the hair using the diffuser. I love her hair color, so pretty. And then we move on to someone else rocking like the ginger color trend. Loving these side swept bangs with this. She has kind of like a layered shoulder length style going on. And we see another color change into this ash blonde pixie style. And ash blonde is another very popular hair color that we are seeing this season. And if you guys do want to see more ash blonde hair inspiration, I do have a video showcasing and talking more in depth about the trend. So here we have another bold hair color in the making. Philip Wolf is doing this hairstyle, one of my favorite stylists. So this color is really unique. It's like a really bold, kind of like almost neon orange hue. And I am gonna make a separate video on this, but baby bangs are trending heavily right now. We're seeing a huge comeback in them. So next up, another color transformation into another ginger copper tone. This looks beautiful on her complexion. Loving the orange lip to make the color pop on the hair even more. Beautifully done. And I love the fluffiness, the curls that this pixie has. Very pretty. So here we have the hair transformation of someone rocking the under color trend. Black on the top, platinum on the bottom. Beautiful shoulder length haircut. And then we have the transformation into this blunt bob style. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.